Do you want to learn English for daily conversation faster?
Do you speak English?
You can speak English with me.
Do you want to improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills? This video has 4 parts that are very helpful for fast learning. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary and useful phrases. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. This method helps you learn faster because you listen, understand, and speak at the same time. You practice real English and improve your speaking naturally. Let's start and improve your English together. Part 1, listening practice. In this part, you listen to a daily English conversation between 2 people. You don't need to speak, just listen and follow the conversation. Why is this good? It helps you get used to real English and understand conversations more easily. Let's start.
Starting the day with movement.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning. You are up early.
Yes, I want to move my body.
Move your body?
Yes, just a little stretching.
I feel sleepy.
That's okay. Let's start slow.
Okay. What should I do?
Stand up and stretch your arms.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
Oh, I feel better now.
See? A little movement helps.
You are right. Let's do it again. Great job! You successfully completed the conversation listening and comprehension section. Let's continue to complete your lesson and learn English. Reminder: the more you listen, the better you understand. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel.
Part 2, vocabulary and useful phrases. In this part, you learn the key words and useful phrases from the conversation. These words and phrases are common in daily English. Why is this good? You learn what people really say, so speaking becomes easier. Be up early. To wake up early in the morning. Example: I'm up early today.
I'm up early fighting.
I'm up early working.
You are up early.
No, I'm up early.
Start slow. To begin something gently and not fast. Example: let's start slow.
Figure out start slow.
Okay, we'll start slow.
Start slow.
Start slow.
Stand up. To rise to your feet. Example: please stand up.
I can't stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up!
You are right. Used to say someone is correct. Example: you are right. This is a good idea.
You are right. No.
You are right. You are right.
You are right.
That's okay. Used to say something is fine or not a problem. Example: sorry, I'm late.
That's okay?
That's okay.
That's okay, ma'am.
That's okay, Richard.
That's okay.
Well done! You finished learning useful phrases, idioms, and expressions. Keep going to complete your lesson and learn English. Remember, don't just memorize. Try using these expressions in real situations to speak better.
Part 3, listen and answer practice. In this part, you will answer questions I ask you based on the conversation we just went through. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. Watch the video carefully until you understand everything. This exercise helps you practice thinking in English, understand conversations better, and respond naturally in everyday situations.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning. You are up early.
Yes, I want to move my body.
Did Emma say good morning first? No, she didn't. Lily said good morning first. Is it morning in the dialogue? Yes, it is. They say good morning. Does Lily want to sleep more? No, she doesn't. She wants to move her body.
Move your body?
Yes. Just a little stretching.
I feel sleepy.
That's okay. Let's start slow.
Does Emma feel sleepy at the beginning? Yes, she does. She says, I feel sleepy. Is Lily talking about heart exercise? No, she isn't. She says, just a little stretching. Does Lily say to start fast? No, she doesn't. She says, start slow.
Okay. What should I do?
Stand up and stretch your arms.
Does Emma ask what she should do? Yes, she does. She asks, what should I do? Does Lily tell Emma to sit down? No, she doesn't. She says, stand up.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
Oh, I feel better now.
See? A little movement helps.
You are right. Let's do it again.
Does Emma feel better after stretching? Yes, she does. She says, I feel better now. Does Emma want to stop at the end? No, she doesn't. She says, let's do it again.
Awesome work. You completed the listening and answering practice. You're getting closer to completing your lesson and learning English. Answering questions helps you think in English. Keep practicing. You are improving.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to keep improving your English. Comment below. What daily conversation would you like to learn?
Part 4, Shadowing Practice. In this part, you will repeat after native speakers to practice pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing helps you sound more natural, speak fluently, and build confidence in English conversation.
Starting the day with movement.
Good morning, Emma. Yes. I want to move my body. Yes. Just a little stretching. That's okay. Let's start slow. Stand up and stretch your arms. Yes, very good. See? A little movement helps.
Starting the day with movement. Good morning. You are up early. Move your body? I feel sleepy. Okay. What should I do? Like this? Oh, I feel better now. You are right. Let's do it again. Congratulations! You have completed the shadowing practice and your full lesson. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Keep practicing with different characters, and you will sound more fluent every day.
These videos are here to help you learn English better. Keep practicing with shadowing. If this video helped you, like the video. Thank you.